This month, a struggling man made the right choices and paid attention to what I showed him. And within 2 years, this man was able to buy 2 cars and relocated himself and his family to Canada. Last month alone, Desmond's business generated over 13 million naira in sales. And guess what? 70% of that was profit. But first, let me ask you, are you tired of living from paycheck to paycheck? Are you unhappy about how 2023 ended and you want a better outcome in 2024? Do you struggle to provide for your family's needs and pay the bills? Are you tired of constantly searching for the next opportunity and want something consistent and reliable? Do you always say no to your wife spending money because you know you can't just afford it, and your wife is slowly and secretly hating you for it? Do you desire a real business that gives you the freedom to pursue other passions? Is your wife slowly withdrawing sex because she feels you are not capable enough to take care of her bills? Now, if you answered yes to any of these questions, it's time to pay attention because I have something important to share with you. You see, the amount of money you make largely depends on the type of business you choose. One business vehicle that has never failed me before and my inner cycle man is what I call smart trading. Now, most people call it e-commerce, but you might be asking, why do I call it smart trading? Because you need a smart system to make it work for you. You need the smart system to make e-commerce work for you. You have to be willing to sell real products that solves real problems to real people, like this product. Contrary to popular belief, success in e-commerce has very little to do with intelligence or being smart. People less intelligent than you are generating 100 times more revenue every single year. It's a new era where money making doesn't require us to be smart. It just requires you to have a smart system. This one found success by following my advice, and in just 2 years, he was able to achieve what he achieved. Dami here was struggling with his business, but all that changed after he encountered me and implemented what I showed him. Harry isn't left out. Harry is a hardworking 9-to-5er who started his e-commerce business venture with doubts from his wife. But within 6 months, his wife joined him and they achieved financial freedom together. In fact, Harry even bought his wife a brand new car. Bakare is also a family man with kids who was finally able to raise over 1.8 million naira in 30 days to take care of his family biz because he listened to me. Now, why am I telling you all of this? Because I want you to understand 3 essential keys to e-commerce success. Number 1, you need to know how to acquire customers. Number 2, you need to know how to get the customers to spend more money with you. Number 3, you need to know how to get those customers to come back and buy from you over and over again. My name is Jonathan Melody, and in 2012, I imported my first product from AliExpress, making a profit of over 18,000 naira. However, my attempt to turn it into a real business led to what I call the biggest mistake of my life. It resulted in the loss of all of my savings. But in 2016, everything changed. I relaunched my e-commerce business using this proven smart system you're about to find out and made over 6 million naira within the first 3 months. Now, this success was so incredible that I was able to buy my first car, fund my wedding, and even enjoy a luxurious honeymoon in Dubai. Since then, I've launched multiple, successful e-commerce brands and businesses that have gone on to generate multiple millions in revenue. Today, I consult for 8 and 9-figure e-commerce brands, helping them to get on stock and, find new ways to increase their sales. And now, after 3 years of going silent, I'm finally relaunching the 10X ECommerce Masterclass. Inside this comprehensive masterclass, you will learn the economics behind building a profitable e-commerce business that goes beyond just advertising and products. The masterclass comprises of 12 modules, taking you step by step from a complete beginner to an A-level e-commerce marketer and a business owner. But before you worry about the investment, take a moment to imagine this. 10 months from now, you are able to drive the car of your dreams, having enough to buy what you want and still have enough left to play with. You're waking up each morning without having financial worry, without worrying how you are able to take care of bills that day, facing emergencies confidently because you know you can handle them. You are able to gain the respect and admiration of other men because of your success. And you become an inspiration to other people because of your encouraging story. You are able to enjoy that long-awaited dream vacation that you've always wanted. And guess what? Your wife finally sees you as the man, and she adores you again, and no longer withdraws or say no to sex. And this time, she initiates sex. You leave a legacy for your children and grandchildren when you are even long gone. This can be your reality, just like Desmond and many other men who listen to me. Now that you understand the 3 essential keys to e-commerce success and have witnessed the inspiring stories of others who achieved incredible results, you might be wondering how this masterclass sets itself apart from the rest out there. Listen, let me walk you through why this e-commerce masterclass is the ultimate solution for you. First and foremost, this masterclass is not just about advertising and products. It dives deep into the economics and dynamics behind building a profitable e-commerce business. We take a holistic approach, helping you understand the intricacies and fundamentals and strategies that go beyond just the surface level tactics that you see out there. This comprehensive knowledge will give you a substantial competitive advantage over others who are solely focused on individual components of what actually makes up a successful e-commerce business and brand. Furthermore, this masterclass is designed with you in mind. It takes you from a complete beginner to an A-level e-commerce marketer and business owner. You get step-by-step guidance. Each of the 12 modules is carefully crafted to take you on a transformational journey, equipping you with the skills, the tools, the knowledge, and mindset necessary to succeed in this fast-paced e-commerce world. Module 1 is the most important to watch because inside you're going to learn the missing link to turning things around in your life. If you don't do this one thing, you will continue to struggle for a long time without knowing even why you are struggling. I struggled with this for a long time until I spoke with 2 millionaires, one in his 40s and the other in his 60s. And of course, this is not something you're going to, find in courses, so it's not what you're thinking about. But what truly sets this masterclass apart from every other one out there is that you gain access to a range of exclusive bonuses. 1, you get a list of 30 evergreen products. These carefully curated products are guaranteed to consistently generate you sales regardless of economic conditions or seasonal trends. All right? You won't have to worry about product selection ever again. Number 2, product marketing templates. Not everyone has the natural talents for copywriting, but that shouldn't hinder your success. These templates empower you to create compelling marketing content without being a wordsmith or a grammarian. All right. Number 3, e-commerce Facebook ads alchemy. Facebook is a powerful tool for generating sales, but mastering it requires strategic know-how. I unveil the secrets behind leveraging Facebook to its full potential, enabling you to drive massive sales for your brand and your business. 4, you get sales funnels that convert. Now, with my guidance, you will learn how to create effective sales funnels that maximize your conversion rates. You're able to avoid common pitfalls and unlock the true potentials of your e-commerce business. 5, you have 1-year support. I believe in the power of community. As a member of this masterclass, you will gain exclusive access to our Telegram group of over 1,000 like-minded entrepreneurs like you. You will be able to connect, network, and learn from others on the same e-commerce journey just as you are. When you invest into the 10x e-commerce masterclass, you become a part of an elite group of individuals. Think of it like, joining the Knights of the Marketing Camelot. We stand together, ready to support and elevate each other to new heights. In addition to these unique features and bonuses, the masterclass is backed with a risk-free 365 days money-back guarantee. So why should you choose the 10x masterclass? Because it goes beyond the superficial, strategies and tactics, that are offered out there. It provides you with the knowledge, the tools, the support, and community you need to thrive in the e-commerce landscape and build a real business. The ultimate solution is right here, right now, waiting for you to seize the opportunity and transform your financial future. However, this offer won't last forever. The fee can go up at any time. So seize this opportunity while you can. You have absolutely nothing to lose, but everything to gain. A new life, a life of power and success and happiness. And to further demonstrate my confidence in this masterclass, I'm offering a risk-free 365 days money-back guarantee if you are not completely satisfied with your result within a year. So you don't have to rush about this. Simply let me know and I will refund your investment. All I ask is that you show that you implemented the teachings. That's how much I believe in the power of this masterclass. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and launch your own profitable e-commerce brand, it's time to take action. Just like Pastor Jade, who used what he learned and generated over 15 million naira in sales for an e-commerce brand in just 5 months. And Noah was able to close a 7-figure business deal by applying the strategies that he learned. Sylvester did over 1.3 million naira in his first 30 days of applying what I showed him. Listen, you have 2 options right now. Option 1, do nothing and go back to the life that you have now, where money is scarce, love is rare, you struggle to provide for your loved ones, a life where your health declines, but there is nothing you can do about it. A life where you don't get the appreciation and respect that you deserve. A life filled with regrets and what-ifs moments on your deathbed. Option 2 is to spread your wings. Take a leap of faith and join the masterclass. Imagine the impact this decision will have on your life. Imagine the abundance, happiness, respect, and financial security this will bring you. You have nothing to risk and a whole new life to gain with this. So spread your wings and seize the opportunity now and embrace a brighter future for yourself and your family. Don't settle for less. Click the button below this video now. Spread your wings and embark on your journey to e-commerce success with a 10x e-commerce masterclass. I will see you on the inside.